What's up, everybody? So I actually got 2 orders. Got the chatterbait box right here. Let's see. Man, that color looks real good. Colors look awesome. That one's fire. Another great color. Chatterbait Elite Evo Z-Man. This one's gonna hit. I already know this one's gonna hit for sure. Alright, here's the glasses right here. Let's open them up. Alright, these are the Costa Del Mar Jose. Oh my god. Born on the water, baby. I got the matte turquoise with green mirror. So there they are. Let's open them up. Oh my god. It comes in this beautiful Costa packaging. I really like that a lot. You don't need that. Oh my god. Wow. You could barely tell if they're turtle shell. You could barely tell the turtle shell. But now you could really see it in the sun and it looks insane. Oh my god. They look amazing. These are the best glasses I've ever bought right here. Most expensive ones too. I love them, guys. Super nice, bro. Oh my god. I did not think they're gonna come out this great. Very impressed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more content. It helps us out so much with the channel. These cost freaking $300, bro. They're a lot, but I love them. I'm gonna catch us some more fish with these. Thank you guys.